got 2 more Celicas on the list to look at. So far we've seen 1 ZZs, automatics, some manuals, but no short shifters. And the last ones are in section 17, space 17, and space 20, or section 20, space 17 as well. So should be close to the back, all the way back here. Here's a TC. Looks like someone took the shifter already, and the engine, tranny as well. And if you guys know, let me know what's up with the 2AZ FE engines on this, because when I seem to check them, all the scions, all the headers are always missing. I don't know, is that a hot item, or is someone using those to put it on a different car? You know, if it is, let me know. Look at this Apex eye on a Celica. I might take that. Look at that. That shifter looks shorter than the other ones I've seen. GTS. Mangled up front. Transformers, Predacons. 2 ZZ right there. You know that intake manifold. Someone took the injectors. Figures. But that exhaust though, that's gonna be the hot find today. Can't open it. We can't open it manually. We'll have to break the glass. I don't like doing that, but sometimes it's the only way to get in, or jump through the hatch. Let's see the passenger side. Oh, okay. Guess we won't have to break no windows today. Let's take a closer look. I think just the shifter itself, and it feels solid. And I see a red color in there for the bushings. So I believe it's aftermarket. I believe we scored today. Let's go ahead and pull that out, take it. So when getting into this shifter assembly, there's 2 10mm bolts in there under that little mat. Screw right there, screw on the other side. 2 screws, 1 right there and 1 right there. We take those off and we pull off this whole center armrest. Then we can get to those 4 bushings right there. Eventually we'll take this off and we'll take off the shifter. So now that we've loosened all the hardware on this center armrest, we just pull it up, toss it in the back, and let's go to the goods. Oh, look at that. Fell in, they left it. We'll take that. And those are the bushings I was talking about. So I know those aren't in stock. It leads me to believe that this is a short shifter. Let's see the bottom part of it. Yeah, I believe so. Don't know what brand yet, but we'll figure that out after we take it off. Let's go ahead and remove these 4 bolts. Take this out. Okay. 4 bolts are out. We lift this up. We get to those bushings. And we'll take this right now. But meanwhile, and they installed them wrong. They left the rubber bushings, which I believe are supposed to take them off, and then these go on. But let's get them. There they are. You know what kind these are? Go ahead, leave it in the comment section. There it is, all 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, share, all that good thing. Okay, family, so here we go. We took this pin out of that right there. Pull this up, pull this out, take that. And the score.